You're watching Friends with Flight Benefits.
And we're always DTF.
Down to
Fly.
You are now tuned in to Friends with Flight Benefits. Welcome to the ancient city in Samut Prakan, Thailand. This is said to be one of the world's largest outdoor museums. Needing a break from the bustling, busy, on-the-go lifestyle of Bangkok and the crazy traffic, I decided to call up one of my Thai friends to come with me to the ancient city. But first, I wanted to stop and grab a bite to eat. I decided to try Mad Cow Gourmet Burgers for the first time. Taste how this burger tastes. I heard good things about this place where Mad Cow Burger, Gourmet Burgers. It's a big burger. Picked up by my friend, we headed out to the ancient city, about a 40-minute drive from Bangkok. I was very excited to get away to a more laid-back atmosphere. Once we arrived at the ancient city, we decided to take the trolley tour. The ancient city is a huge outdoor museum with over 100 replicas of Thailand's most famous monuments and historic buildings. Everything is divided according to regions in Thailand, so this will give visitors the experience of feeling like you've traveled the whole country in a day. With the ancient city being so vast, it's impossible to show you everything, but I will show you enough for you to see why you need to come visit the ancient city and partake in the history of Thailand. Nusip Maha Prasad Palace. With lots of research and study of photos and documents, they recreated the original appearance of the Grand Palace that was built by King Rama I in 1806. Sanpit Prasad Palace. Modeled after the palace in Ayutthaya, which was destroyed by the invading Burma, this building was once used by the Thai king to welcome Queen Elizabeth II in 1972. Such beautiful scenery and so many statues, monuments, and structures. I apologize I did not get the names of everything I looked at, but definitely thought it would be a disservice if I did not include some of the sites I viewed in the video. After the tour was over, we rented bikes to be able to explore around more. I would recommend this instead, since you can explore at your own pace. The trolley tour makes limited stops, and there were many structures I thought the tour would stop at, but it skipped them. But beware, when I was riding my bike, I got the biggest surprise of my life. An 11-foot monitor lizard crossed the road right in front of my bike. Being a city boy, I didn't know whether they attack humans or not. It's actually pretty fun in an ancient city. Sumera Mountain. According to folktale, this is said to be the pillar of the world and center of the universe. For me, it was a great place to snap a quick picture, and will be for you also. The Royal Watercourse Procession. These royal barges were used in many state ceremonies and reception of royal guests. These barges were modeled after real royal barges used since Ayutthaya period. The Pavilion of Enlightenment is a beautiful crafted masterpiece that is a wonderful sight to look at. Another great spot to take pictures and video. The Great Hall of Vajradharma. This structure brings the splendor of the Prasad Tong dynasty and brings visitors back to the golden age of the Utia era. The floor inside is made of fragrant hinoki wood, native to central Japan and imported from Laos. The building is adorned with jewels and decor that presents a beautiful work of art. Huge gold statues. Another excellent place for pictures and videos for visitors. I would recommend spending 3 to 6 hours at the ancient city. The place is so large, you will need time to explore the beautiful architecture and enjoy the amazing scenery. There was a movie being filmed while I was there, so a lot of structures I wanted to film but did not get a chance due to not wanting to disturb the production. Well worth the visit, so next time you are planning a trip to Thailand, make sure to include the ancient city in your plans. Thanks for watching.
This has been another Friends with Flight Benefits video presented by James and Shakir. Don't forget to like and subscribe.